Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. I have been waiting patiently to make this video. Trust me, it's been a long time, but today we're finally doing it. First off, before we start anything, I'm using a new camera today and I hate it so much. Like, I don't like this camera. I'm gonna try to get used to it, but like I'll just have to go back to the brand that I'm using before. Like, maybe I don't know how to use it because I've tried, like I've spent hours trying to figure it out, and I'm like I'm no stranger to cameras, so I don't know. But anyways, let me know if you guys love this camera and we can keep using it, but let's see how this video goes, I guess. I bought 4 dresses from ThredUp. Yes, we will be reviewing ThredUp today. I heard of ThredUp for the first time last year. I think it was early last year. I heard it from a very good YouTuber that I love so much, Mia Maples. And I was like, yeah, I need to try this for myself. And I need new dresses. I was like, okay, let's buy these dresses from ThredUp and let's see what it is all about. So if you don't know ThredUp is a company that sells used wares. Yeah, what we call thrifting basically, but then they made it, you know, they zhuzh it up. I don't know if that's the... So ThredUp is a company that sells used clothing items, and also you can sell what you have to them. Yeah, I was reading about that a couple of days ago, but like it says, I'm just gonna put the information here, but what it says is that you send it to them, they will put it on their website or something, and then they sell it for you, if that makes sense. I think that was what it was all about, but like it's gonna be on the screen for you guys to read it for yourselves. Also, the delivery was so smooth. Like, it was very smooth, to be honest. The only issue that I had was picking my sizes, and that's on me. Okay, it's on me because I'm between 2 sizes, medium and large, and it was so hard for me to like go with a medium or like a large because I was like, I don't know what to do. But I think I picked large sizes for these dresses, so we'll see how that goes. And also I'll be giving out one of these 4 dresses to one of you guys. So if you're size 12 or large, wait till the end of the video to know how you can enter for this dress, okay? Because to be fair, I can't keep 4 dresses. Like, I don't wear dresses all the time. Yeah, I do not. So I'm gonna give one to you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping the other 3 because I have like some events that I plan to attend this year and I need dresses for them. So yeah, let's get right into the video. This is the box. Guys, I'm telling you, the self-control that I have, bro, I didn't know that I could do this. I literally, like, they delivered this so long time ago. I'm not even joking. Like, I think like 2 weeks, not that long ago, but like like 2-3 weeks ago, and I didn't open. Like, I'm telling you, I did not open. Hey, nice pics, I know. There's no better thing in the world than unboxing, okay? This is cute. It's not stinking. I love that. Trust me, I love it. What I want to know is, do they wash these clothes before they put it outside? Because most thrift places, yeah, like the one we did the last time, trust me, very good finds, but like some of the things were like dirty. So I don't know, like, do they wash thrift, like used items before they sell them? That's what I really want to know. But like, yeah, oh my god, look at this dress. Okay, I think this large was the right choice. I think so. I don't know, something spoke to me with these dresses. It was so, guys, it was so hard to pick from, like, not thousands, not millions, but like a lot of dresses. And I was like, oh my god, how do I pick? And the most I'll say the greatest thing about it is that like people buy the stuffs like this, which is good. People are buying from this website. That's why I feel so happy. And for the fact that like I heard it from Mia, like I think they're a good company, but we'll see. But so far everything is looking good. Yeah, everything is looking good. I don't think there's anything wrong with this at all. Let's put this on. I just like the detail on this. It's really cute. Let's put it on. Oh my god. This, I have no words. It fits like a glove. Everyone clap. Let's put on heels and let's make this dress look even more beautiful. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put this heels on. Let's do it. Let me give you guys, you know, close up. It fits like a glove. Oh my god. Yeah, this is what I call the dress, you know. I'm sorry guys, I'm just so excited because when you find a good outfit that just work, you know, they just work, like you this is beautiful. Let's move on. Second dress is this dress. It's a pink red, black. I love this type of materials. That was why I went for this one. Yeah, and look, oh my god, I just stole the, but like it came with a tag. I think this one was the new dress that has never been worn, guys. Look at that. It has never been worn, so I'm gonna be the first person to wear this. This dress is cute. Like it has so many details, you know, like, you know, the scrunches, I don't know what that is called. And then the neck is something like this. That is cute. Like you can't tell me that this dress is not cute. It's new. Like this has never been worn. It has never been worn. Like you could tell from even the what is it always called, label? From the label you can tell that like it has never ever been worn. So I'm always scared though. Like I love this materials, but like I'm always scared that like I'm gonna tear them, or like they're gonna I don't know, hook on something and then but we'll see. This is beautiful. This one guys, it looks a little bit loose. Yeah, wait, let me show you guys. A little bit loose, but like, but nothing spoil, you know, spoil at all. Oh no. Sorry, I'm just being silly, but like nothing destroyed, nothing too crazy. Like look at this. Okay, yeah, if you really want to judge, like this is how loose it is. But like if I don't show you guys, if I don't say this is, like, you won't know, right? Like if you look at it very well, like it's a bit loose. But whose fault is that? My fault, because because I thought large was gonna be a perfect size with the dress. But like I said, I love it. It gives you room to eat. Let's put on our heels. Let's, you know, zhuzh it up. I don't know why I keep saying that. I've been saying that a lot. Yeah, and then I'm now 6 feet tall. Oh my goodness. Nah, no guys, like you can't tell. This is beautiful. Like, look at the full feet. Like, this is the third dress is this peach dress. I would not go for colors. Look, guys, colors, they scare me because I know I'm trying. Look, it's 2026. We're trying to be better, better versions of ourselves. So this one is the one that I'm scared for the most because it looks gigantic. It's also a large. Like I said, all the four dresses are large. So I'm scared. So that's how the neck is, like this. I don't know, it looked really pretty on the picture, so that's why I went for it. So we'll see. I really like it too. I really, really like it. Also, yeah, large. So let's see, please, please. Remember when I said that I was scared for this one? I am not scared no more. Look at this dress. Like, come on, ThredUp. Come on, ThredUp. You got yourself a new customer. Yeah, this is amazing. Let's put on our heels and let's walk the runway. Put on the heels, walk the runway. Put on the heels. But look at it with heels on. Please do not talk to me. But yeah, this is the dress. It's a really beautiful dress. I have nothing else to say. This is cute. Like, it's just, pure joy. Like, it's so much joy to me when I buy something and it fits. You don't have to return. You don't have to say, oh, because I'm like in between sizes. But if you're really in between sizes, guys, you should understand what I'm talking about. You should understand how happy I am to find this perfect sizes. This one was the one I was the most scared of, and like I feel like it's now in my number one, and then the black one, and then the pink one. So let's try on the last dress. And the last dress, yeah. Oh my god, this is really beautiful. Look at this. Look, I love the rhinestone on this so much. That's the only thing that gives it, like, detail in the dress. But yeah, honestly, nothing is wrong with these dresses. Like, I'm telling you, this is an excellent thrift items. I'm not even joking, because on the website I really love it too, because they tell you what to expect. They're gonna tell you if it is excellent, if it is good, or if it has, like, fair. I don't know, I think that's the word they use. So that, like, oh, I'm getting this dress, like there might be like some maybe scratches on the dress or like anything whatsoever, but like this is good. Okay, this this dress, when they say something, if it fits, I don't know how to rank these dresses. I think they all belong in number one. Leave it, like, put them all in number one. This is so beautiful. Like, it has a detail here, of course, where my mic is, but look at that. Like, just no, you can see this, right? Like how my waist is. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, stop it. There's nothing else to say. Nothing else to say. Put these dresses, all 4 dresses, in number 1. Okay. How can it fit so well like this? Okay. No, 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 no. This is really beautiful, guys. This was a good experience. Oh my god, this amazing. This was a lovely experience. I really enjoyed trying on those dresses. Very beautiful. So guys, I said I was gonna give you guys 1 dress from the 4 dresses. There's going to be a Google form in the description down below in this on this video. Check it out, open it, check out the dress that I'm gonna be giving out. You're going to see everything on there. Fill the form and I will pick somebody randomly. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me, for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Also click the like button, guys. Like, it really helps this video. It really helps. It shows that like you enjoyed it and YouTube will, like, you know, recommend it to other people. So please give it a big thumbs up, like it, subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.